Hello again. This is a video on how to use account, item, sale, and drop-off notes in Liberty. Did you know that you can enter priority notes on an account and have them pop up when you select the customer in the point of sale? Account notes are an informative way to pass along important information to your employees about your consignors. Your employees can also create notes as well. Let's first make sure that we have an option turned on in the point of sale before we continue. Let's open the point of sale. Then, click on the More button. Next, let's click on the Setup button and sign in. We will start out on the General menu option to the left. Make sure that the option for Show Client Notes when there are priority notes is turned on. Click on the OK button and then close out of the point of sale. Now let's go back to the Inventory module. To create a note, first open up the Inventory module and then open up any account. Once you have an account open, go to the Notes tab. From here we can add, edit, or delete notes. We can see information regarding when a note was entered, which user entered the note, and a quick view of the note. The columns can also be expanded so that you can see longer notes, line by line. There are other types of notes you can view here, like your item notes, sale notes, and drop-off notes. We are going to go over how to add notes to each of these areas in this video, but for now, let's go over account notes. We are going to click the Add button. You can type in your note here within the main dialog box. For this example, I'm going to type that this customer forgot their black wallet at the checkout counter. We are also going to mention that we are leaving it in the Lost and Found drawer. From here, we can checkmark the priority checkmark box so that we get a visual indicator whenever this account is open from the Inventory module or the point of sale. We can click the OK button when finished. The visual indicator looks like a red blinking dot located above the Edit Account pane to the left. You will also see in the Notes area a red vertical rectangle to indicate that this is also a priority note. You can have multiple priority notes on the account. To see how this looks from the point of sale, let's open it up. Then we can hit our spacebar, Enter key, or click on the New Sale button. We can now select the Customer button and then open up the customer that we put the priority note on. The Client Notes dialog box will now pop up. All notes that are priority notes will have a checkmark box next to them. We can also click on the Add button to add a note to this account directly from this screen. When we are finished, we can click the OK button. We can also click the Notes button at the top right corner to get back to the Notes area if we need to add another note to this customer's account. You can also add a sales note that is connected to the current transaction you are making in the point of sale. Click the Notes tab next to the Thumbnail tab. Then, click on the box under Notes, click to change. In the Edit Sale Note box, type any pertinent information you want to associate with the current sale. In this case, I am going to mention that the customer was a VIP customer, so I gave them a discount on one of the items. I'll ring up an item and finish out this sale so that I can show the sales note later. To add an item note, we simply go to the Inventory tab of any account. Then, we right-click on an item and click Add Note. I can then type in any note I want to add to this specific item. In this example, I'll type in that this item comes with a free belt. I can now click the OK button. Drop-off notes will appear whenever we add a drop-off to an account. Let's go ahead and add one. Click on File. Then Inventory Drop-offs. Next, click the Add Drop-off button. Type in any account you want to add a drop-off to, and then select that account. Go ahead and create your drop-off, and in the Note field, you can describe the container or bag that the dropped-off items are in. This can help whoever is processing drop-offs to be able to identify what container or bag contains the account's dropped-off items. Now click the OK button. Let's go back to the example account we used for this training video and look at all the notes we added. You will see that we have notes in the account, item, sale, and drop-off note areas. Now, your employees can use notes to communicate important information about customers. This was a video on how to use notes in Liberty.